Ever since I was a little kid, I would always see the Edison trucks, and as I got older, I developed a huge passion for electrical engineering. And I thought working for such a huge company, powering all of the cities and communities, I wanted to be a part of that.
So today we were looking at a relocation of one of our transmission lines. We're here to assess what the tower looks like and if we need to relocate the tower anywhere else. And they would have to remove the tower, remove this span, so that they can erect a TSP. Yeah. I started with Edison as an intern in 2008. I had a really great experience, a lot of great mentors, and I want to bring that experience to somebody else.
What you learn in the classroom is a lot different what you learn in the field. My favorite part about this internship is when I'm working on the computer or out in the field, I'm able to see the purpose and how my designs and the infrastructure that we're building help so many people, communities, and keep the lights on. Edison gave me a lot more than I expected. Every day you'll be learning something new.